How to use car lights. Properly understanding your car's light controls is essential for safe driving, especially in different weather and visibility conditions. Here's a breakdown of each function. Light control modes. Off, all lights are turned off. Auto, automatically turns headlights on or off based on surrounding light conditions. Side position lights, also known as parking lights, used to make your vehicle visible when parked or during low visibility, without turning on full headlights. Low beam standard headlights for regular night driving provides sufficient visibility without blinding other drivers. High beam, brighter lights for dark or poorly lit roads. Push the light lever forward to activate. Use with caution to avoid dazzling oncoming drivers. Pass light, flash high beam. Used as a brief signal to alert other drivers. Pull the light lever toward you to flash the high beam temporarily. Turn signals. Push up for a right turn. Push down for a left turn. Front fog lights improves visibility in foggy or misty weather. Turn on only when visibility is significantly reduced. Rear fog lights makes your car more visible from behind during dense fog or heavy rain. Use cautiously as they are very bright. Hazard lights flashes all indicator lights to warn others of a hazard, breakdown, or emergency situation. Only use when necessary.